Pete the cat hungry for lunch. Book 5. Book 5. Short U.
How it goes?
Up.
Yeah. I think that's the first page.
This is the first page.
Next.
In this story, you will read or hear words with the sounds
Short.
so short U vowel sounds.
Sound. That's right.
Look for these words in the story and
You should use short you sound there.
S is here.
Yeah. You read this word, right? It sounds the same way. I'm using actually the word when I'm saying it to you.
I said this word,
Yeah.
and I want to say this word.
Sound.
Sound
Mm-hmm.
in the story
Sound them out.
in the stories and sound them out. Good. Ooh, I need to tell the words.
Yeah.
Big, big,
Mm.
big,
What's that?
B,
Mm.
G,
Big.
big,
Sound the word. Sounds.
B, E,
Mm.
G,
Mm.
N.
Mm. That's good.
Big, big gun.
Begun. That's
Begun.
good job, Enosh.
Begun. Okay, done.
That's all. You're not reading all those words.
Oh, hungry.
That's right. Hungry.
Begun hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
What's the next?
munch.
Okay.
Yum.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah. Next word.
Crunch.
Crunchy.
Crunchy just.
Just. Right.
Crunchy just.
Mm-hmm.
Plum. Okay, now I can read. Oops, this is the second page. Pete the cat is hungry. It is time for lunch. I like lunch. Pete wonders. Pete wonders what to make for lunch. This is a cat. He's sitting.
Yeah.
Pete, no.
No. You left one page, I believe.
Pete finds a yummy fish. Is he done? No, Pete finds a plum. Is he done? No, the fun has... I missed one page.
Yeah, I think you missed some pages. You did. Yeah.
No, crunchy snack.
Snow. Crunchy.
Crunchy cracks.
Crackers.
No, crunchy crackers are up next. Is he done? No, the fun had just begun. Munch, munch. Pete the cat loves lunch.
Good job.